Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Netbeans. We will explore their core functionalities, performance differences, and ideal use cases. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which tool might best suit your development workflow. Let's dive into the specifics of these two popular and powerful development environments. When it comes to features, VS Code shines with its extensive extension ecosystem, offering thousands of add-ons for nearly any language or task. Netbeans, on the other hand, provides a more integrated experience, especially for Java, with powerful built-in tools like a debugger and profiler. Performance-wise, VS Code is often lighter and quicker to launch, consuming fewer system resources. Netbeans can be more resource-intensive due to its comprehensive nature. The user experience differs significantly. VS Code boasts a sleek, modern interface that is highly customizable, appealing to a broad range of developers. Netbeans presents a more traditional integrated development environment layout, which many longtime Java developers find familiar and efficient. Both have strong communities, but VS Code's community is vast and global, contributing to its rapid evolution. Netbeans maintains a dedicated following, especially within the enterprise Java sector. So, which one is better? VS Code is often preferred for web development, scripting, and projects involving multiple languages due to its flexibility and lightweight nature. Netbeans truly excels for large-scale Java enterprise applications, offering deep integration and powerful project management features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your primary language, project size, and personal preference. Both are excellent, free, and open-source tools, so try them out to see which fits your workflow best.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.